as usual, making parathas and then tea. And today is fourth day of Ramadan fasting. And today is Sunday. And today is February 22. So I make hot little rice for me and this chicken clay or curry. And then this one also, I have extra last night and this pakora. Ayan, may azan na. Close fasting na. Ah. Ayan, narinig nyo yung siren. 5:16 exactly. Morning. And then, open again inshallah. Open fasting for iftari is 5, something like that, also the same. So almost 12 hours, nothing by mouth. This kind of vegetables is turnips with leaves and tubers. As you can see, it's like singkamas and these leaves. So I will cook also this one together with tubers. And this is my recipe for today, fourth day of Ramadan fasting, and today is February 22 and today is Sunday. So I will prepare now this one. Then I will cook around, start to cook 3 p.m. This is 1 kilogram. So I will remove skin for this one. I have to peel out these tubers of turnips. Ito lang yung dahon niya, oh. Ayan. So, slice ko ito na. Because this one before 2 days ago, Fahad, he buy this one with cauliflower and carrots. So first I will cook this one because it's almost become dry leaves. For these tubers, it's no problem. You can eat also this one salad fresh. I like also this kind of vegetables. Turnips. In village, they call it here gonglo. Or in Ordo, I think seljum. Yan. And then this one, our goats can eat this one. They can eat this one. They like too much. So, hindi masayang. Ito na yung aking recipe for today. Yung turnips leaves with the tubers and then some potatoes. And little only vegetables of turnips. So, I go there down to get some more leaves of garlics, our organic garlics and coriander leaves. Ayan. Ito yung extra kahapon na chicken clay. Yan, konti lang. So, kaya ito yung aking recipe ngayon. Simple lang na ulam. At least, may maulam for, dinner after iftari. Ito yung pang dinner namin. With chapati, pero sa akin rice. Pero masarap ito with chapati. Or rice, sa akin rice talaga. Hindi ko na na-videohan na luto kasi always the same lang naman. Fry ka ng brown ng onions, then garlics, then after that tomatoes, then you put masala, turmeric powder, chili powder and salt, yun lang. ang ano ang bali pinaka ano ingredients nila na ano nilalagay yung ano turmeric powder, chili powder. Madali lang ito lutuin. Frying pakoras for 4 days Ramadan fasting. There is more little. Our foods for 4 days of Ramadan fasting is ready. This is green leafy vegetables, then chicken clay, and then pakoras, chapatis, sherbet, fruit chat, and dates. I have also extra yesterday chana chat, so can be finished this one today.